2024 Job Magic.
Thanks for watching Job Search Genie. Before starting your job search, take a look at your social media. Be sure to do a complete review of all of your social media accounts, professional and personal. Review your posts, photos, and comments from the past. If you have questionable or offensive posts, it's time to do a cleanup and delete anything that may raise an eyebrow from a potential employer. Review your privacy settings. A good rule of thumb is if you wouldn't want your future boss to see it, make it private. Your professional social media accounts, such as LinkedIn, should reflect your professional interests. Share articles, follow thought leaders, and showcase your knowledge. Finally, consistency is key. Ensure your profile pictures, bios, and usernames are professional and uniform across platforms. Remember, your social media is your personal billboard. Make it work for you, not against you. Clean it up, keep it professional, and let it enhance your job search.
Wrong. I'm Gia. See you next time on Job Search Genie.